Click Edit Video. Add plain background only as our main clip. You can choose other format here, but I'll choose 1:1. To adjust the duration, click the clip, then adjust the blue thing until it become 2.2 seconds duration. Now click this so we can add image overlay. Just click the image you want, then it will automatically add as an overlay. Make sure that the overlay has the same duration of your main clip. Click keyframe and transform. Scale to 200. Add keyframe at 00, 00 and 001. KF number 2 scale 94. Then add custom graph. Click the position, then add same KF of scale. KF number 2 move to left, then add same graph. Exit transform, then add effect, perspective. Add keyframe at 00, 00 and 001 and one line. KF number 2 horizontal, -208. Add another KF at 00, 02 horizontal, -180. Add same graph. Exit this effect, then add another perspective effect. Add keyframe at 6th line before the 00, 01. Add KF number 2 at 002, horizontal, 199. Then add graph, and exit keyframe. Now, we're gonna add a beat 6th line before the 01, because that will be our pattern in adding KF. Then add another at 002. After that, duplicate this clip. Click clip number 1, then replace it with another photo. Clip number 2, adjust its duration to 0.6 second. Clip number 1, duration 1.6 second. Adjust duration at left side. Click add layer, then add parent, then click image 1. Go to keyframe, transform, position, then add KF at the beat we added. Position, move to right, then add graph. Click the first layer, then duplicate it. Now replace it with another image. Now click the layer number 2, go to keyframe and add effect circular blinds. Add keyframe at beat, then adjust the progress to 100 at number 2 KF, then add graph. Now, click add layer, then add shape, square. There's a lot of shape here and you can also change color. I choose square with pink color. Go to KF, transform scale, 260 position. Watch me. Add KF at start and at 001. Hide the shape at first KF, then show it at KF number 2. Add graph. Make it first layer. Just drag it down. Add layer. Add parent, then choose shape layer. Go to KF, transform. Position. Add KF at the beat, then watch me adjust the position. Now add graph. Add layer text and type Anya or Anya. You can choose fonts and the color you want here. Go to KF, transform, scale, 235 rotate, 90. Position, add KF at start and 001. Hide the text at KF number 1, then show it at number 2. Then add graph. Add layer, then add parent, then choose text layer. Go to KF, transform. Position, add KF at beat, move down the text at second KF. Add graph. Now add another layer of image. Move it at the first beat. I want to remove the white background, so I will use mask. I will click portrait to detect the person, but it didn't work well, so I will just paint Anya with red brush. Exit when you're already done. I will just move this image on what place it should be. Now go to KF, transform scale. Add KF on beat, then adjust KF to 0 to 120. Don't forget to add graph in every KF we will make. Click position, then add KF on beat, hide the image on the KF number 1. Add graph. Click rotation, add KF on beat, KF number 1, 80 KF number 2, -6. I'm just adjusting for better results. Add graph. Add shape layer. I choose circle with dark pink color. Move it under the last image layer. Go to KF and transform to adjust it. Scale, KF on beat, KF number 1, 0. KF number 2, 160. Same KF at position. Hide at KF number 1 and show it at KF number 2. Add graph. And we're done. Thank you for watching.